Well, hello everybody. Grampa Mirlin here, and I have a special video that I'm making today because guess what? A friend of mine sent me a CD that I had been wanting for a very long time. And I'm so happy, I'm so honored. My friend on the International K-Pop News and Discussion Forum sent me this. His name is Milan Voštiar. I hope I said that right. This came today from Amazon, and I'm so excited. I just can't wait. Okay, look. So I haven't even opened this before. So this is a real unboxing video. Okay. So got my scissors here. So I'm just gonna. Look. It's Love Poem by IU. I was just talking in our chat one day about how much I love IU and how much I would love to have this particular CD because it's got my favorite IU song, Blooming, on it. And believe me, there are a lot of IU songs that I love. I've been a fan of IU for about 2 years, so maybe over 2 years now. And I'm gonna cut this plastic. Even though it was a piece of tape, it's still giving me a little bit of a problem. So, oh gosh, it's still not open. Man, they made this difficult. They made this hard to open. Oh, there it is. Look. I don't know how well you can focus. Not at all. I can't get it to focus. It's okay. So now, I'm going to take out the actual CD booklet. And then let me put my trash away. Yeah, and he just kind of like volunteered to send it, and I was so surprised. I did give him my address since he volunteered. I don't turn down K-pop merchandise. I love K-pop. And I have so many different idols. I discovered IU by accident. Very, very embarrassing. Still is to this day. I don't mind telling the story because I know it can happen to anybody. And as long as look. As long as I tell the story, people will realize it's okay to make accidents and mistakes. And I want to make it okay to make accidents and mistakes because, hey, it gets me off the hook, right? But anyway, I saw a short video on Instagram where a girl kind of like did this number. And, she was dressed in her dressing room and she kind of did this number. And then poof, all of a sudden she was in her stage outfit. I thought it was Jisoo from Blackpink. It was just, I know it's hugely embarrassing. Jisoo is my Blackpink bias, so I posted it, and said it was IU. I said it was Jisoo, and Josh Beebe, is it Beebe or Bibi? He said that's IU because he loves IU, and wow. So I was really embarrassed, and I changed the caption to say it was IU, and then I started looking up things about IU and saw what a beautiful girl she was, and also what a beautiful singer she was. And I knew she was an actress or actor. I I know that's the proper way to say it now. Inside the Love Poem CD here, there's a little envelope. Oh, it's got an IU bookmark. Put it up there. I'm sorry about the inability to focus. There's another IU card. What is that on the back? Love Poem. It's in English and in Korean. That's all that's inside. Put them back. This is the first thing ever I've had by IU, so I'm very excited about it. You open it up, and it's a booklet. It's got a table of contents. Sorry I don't have the best lighting for this. It's a whole booklet. Oh wow, something's in the middle. Oh, it's got a little bookmark in the middle. See? Western artists don't do this. Somebody's, in Blackpink's Light Up the Sky, Jenny said the main difference between K-pop and other music is the time they spend training, and I think that's true. But there are a lot of other differences too, like they include rap and hip hop in just about every song. Their songs are made of English and Korean. They have the coolest stuff when you buy their CDs. From Western CDs, you buy the CD, you basically just get the CD. Look at this. Look at this. I love her. I love her eyes. Wow. Wow. Look at this. What I would give to go back in time or to reverse my age. But when I was young, let's just put it like this. In the 80s, I hated the 80s. And the early 90s were so cool because we had grunge, I was in my mid-20s by that point. And K-pop had just started, but I didn't know anything about it, Nobody did, hardly, unless they went to Korea and heard it. Such a darling. Now the CD is actually on the back cover, and it's in this little envelope. And I will tell you, I have only ever played one CD that I've ever gotten. Look at that. Most of the time, I don't play the CDs. I just leave them where they are because they are so incredibly precious that I don't want to damage them. Moonbule's Dark Side of the Moon was actually sealed, so I couldn't access the CD without breaking the seal. There's no need for me to access the CD because they play the music. I can get it free on YouTube. It's not just about the music, it's about buying their merchandise and supporting the artist, and collecting the things that your idols put out. So this is very near and dear to me, and I'm just in awe. But the only CD I've ever played was from Mama Moo, their Melting album. I did put that on, but if I want to listen to that album, all I have to do is go on YouTube, and there's listings of their whole album I can listen to. Same here. And that's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to play some Mamma Mia music, especially Blooming, because Blooming is my favorite song. I was kind of hoping that this had some stills from that video, but it doesn't. But it has lovely pictures of IU. Think about IU. She has something about her mouth, the way her mouth is. Once you see it, you can't unsee it. It's just, you know, it's IU, especially when she smiles. You know, especially when she smiles. But a lot of these pictures, she's not really smiling. She's just looking adorable. She's just absolute. Oops. I dropped my bookmarky thing. This makes me feel, you know, like I'm more at home, because all of my K-pop stuff is in a box in my storage facility, and I will not be able to get it out until sometime in November. Alright, I'm just a klutz. I dropped these, but I picked them up. So I just want to thank Milan for sending these to me. It really is such an honor sending this CD to me, because I love IU. I love her so much. Thank you, 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 thank you. And I hope anyone who watched this video enjoyed it. Again, if you have any requests that you would like me to do, please, 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 please let me know. My email address is in the description below, and also you can find me on the International K-Pop News and Discussion Forum on Facebook. So I really appreciate your time and attention. So I'm going to sign off now. Peace, love, and don't stop the K-pop. All right, bye-bye.
길을 쓰고 사랑해야 하는 건 아냐. 하루 정도는 행복하지 않아도 괜찮아. 그럼에도 역시 완벽하군 나의 여인. 여전히 무서워